I also don't know what's around your area.
Cheesesteak and a Wawa.
I've actually never had a cheesesteak.
Alright, buddy. Buckle the fuck up. I'm
Look
gonna
at
clip your fucking foreskin,
dude.
Jesus Christ.
What?
Whoa.
Too bad it's already gone.
Also, look at
I wear it as a scarf now.
what?
Okay, that one's getting clipped. Okay, but it's just gonna be me and
Bro,
Faye,
you're wearing it
and-
as a scarf. What do you mean?
Yeah, but I don't have it attached to me. It's more like, and honestly, scarf, whip, same thing.
Whoa,
I mean-
that's an advanced
whoa.
technique.
I mean, if you twist it hard enough and then wet it down, I mean, it's a whip right there. Dude, come on, man. I'm not the killer.
Yeah, I was gonna do this gen and we were gonna get adrenaline. Oh, he's right there. What are you doing? Why didn't you just stand there?
I was scratching my balls. I'm sorry.
Bruh.
I'm going down here.
Why'd you go down?
Shut the fuck up.
You and Janice, I think.
No, she's not.
No. McDonald's. Come on, girl.
She doesn't get paid enough.
That, you know what, real? Don't smack me with the honey pipe.
Birkin's crack pipe.
Dude swings for the fences and misses every time.
He swings
Oh,
for the fences. And the
Alright,
fences
I'm starting on a gen that no one's touched.
say no.
First.
I came.
Me too.
He's a kicker.
Uh-oh. You know what that means.
What was that? And what was that?
Not the M1.
Did she really M1 you?
Yeah. Not the Muntress.
Muntress.
Yeah.
You're heading right toward her.
She's, yeah. Because he was a chat and, maybe.
What was that? There was no way she would have reached me.
Uh-oh, she's got Penny. She's got Penny. Well, I know exactly where that totem was, so...
She is not happy. I'm abusing.
She's sailing on my hill till I smother my wife.
Hey, someone prep the. Pay, go prep
Yeah,
that.
Let's just leave. Let's just leave. I don't
What?
want to get DC'd from this game. Skull merchant. Bird merchant. I finished
Pop,
2 games
pop
just
that
now.
gen at the rock. Okay, good. Oh god. Oh bloody hell. Bloody fucking hell. Bloody hell. Would you like me to patch you up?
Yes.
Lovely. I'll gladly patch you up.
Oh god. He's doing the Mel voice.
The Mel voice.
Dude, I love this community. I love this community and hate this community.
I'm the one you hate.
Good lord.
Am I wrong?
No.
Come on, Murchy Wurchy. Let me show you how to really dance! No, I'm much more of a Yui guy.
Understandable.
You know, behind Steve, but I mean...
Yeah, you would bottom for C.
Oh, absolutely.
Open the
Because
gate,
I'm
he'll be
top
forced to
of the
pick. Wait a minute.
Why? What? Dude, what is this ping?
fluctuating heart rate. Good night. Good night, my kitten. Good night, Pay.
Fuck you!
I thought you were talking to me, bro.
I am nobody's kitten.
Good night, my little meow meow.
No.
My little meow.
My little meow meow.
No. That will not be the case.
Purr for me.
No.
Kitten.
I will not. Oh
you,
god,
purr.
that's terrible. I'm
Little
clipping that.
pussycat.
I am. Yeah. Did you just?
No, maybe.
You didn't.
I did. What you gonna
Jesus
do about it?
Christ. Well, joke's on you. There's no toilet paper in this realm.
Oh, even better.
Honestly, they should make one of Michael's green add-ons. In tier 3, he can just like walk right through breakable walls like the Kool-Aid Man.
Yeah, been saying that.
Yeah, he just walks in going, "Oh yeah!"
Why'd you let go? Why'd
I
you let
didn't
go?
let go. I didn't let go. You hit shift.
I did not hit shift.
Also, why were you so far out of the gate?
I don't know where that edge is, bro.
It's at the edge.
Right.
Yeah, says the one with only a
No.
P28 ace.
Hey, that just means I touch grass.
Dude, I literally touch grass when I go to eat.
But you don't touch women.
You're right, because I'm afraid of them. Bloody hell, Ace, you absolute bloody. He's taking me to a
It's
skirt
Skull
chook.
Merchant.
No, it's a tricky boy.
Bro, it's demo. It's demo. It's demo.
Sticky.
It's demo, bro.
It's covered.
Since when did Demogorgon learn to throw knives and sing K-pop?
It's now a bad time to tell you guys that I was streaming 5 minutes ago.
Walter
Oh, nice.
Meow.
Are we
Meow. Meow.
Please stop.
Purr for daddy.
Not burnt out. I'm burnt out doing it alone.
Why are you doing it alone?
We should get some maidens.
Dude, what do you think I'm trying to do?
The same day JFK died.
What?
Yes!
Why were you so excited?
Because that's a great holiday.
You're always talking about like, oh man, so submissive and readable. Like, bro, do your fucking homework. Make sure it's submitted and readable.
I make sure all of mine is readable.
Recently,
It's written like a doctor's note.
That's not very readable. I mean, I can read my own handwriting pretty well.
Let me see if I can read yours. Let me see if I can make it out.
oh, you guys are gonna go make out? Damn, join
No.
the chat.
No. Sorry, no, but the only person in this chat I would make out with is Bacon.
Hey
Nah,
yo.
me
That's
too.
fair, I
Yeah.
get it.
I'm gonna start bringing fucking sack words for this sorry ass. I
Why?
swear to God. Fucking cringe map.
Dude, Garden of Map.
Garden of
Garden
Map.
of map.
It's Garden of Map, bro.
You fucking catboy, accept. Goddammit.
Shut the fuck up.
I want to be the
Oh,
cat
he's
boy.
denying it, just like a catboy.
Bacon, you
would.
can be
I
my
know.
cat boy.
Hey yo.
You're my
You can all be
kitten.
my
You're my
little cat
kitten.
boys
Yeah,
if you want.
Daddy.
I'm sorry, but I refuse. I am declining that offer.
Bacon, let me hear you purr for me.
Number one, can I get a roll call?
Be free. Nice. Red in her eyes.
You guys alright? Okay, I'm leaving.
Eat my ass, maiden. Eat my ass. Fuck you. Oh, brother, this fang stinks.
It doesn't matter, Jewishness is passed down via your mother. It's a real canonical Jew fact, by the way.
Yeah, I know.
Canonical Jew bag.
Man,
Yeah.
who knew that I needed to know these canon Jew facts?
The Jew extended universe.
MC
The
Jew, if you
JEU, bro.
JU.
He's probably just going for his adept. Bro, bro.
Oh, bruh. What? No. Because he has dying
Oh,
light.
he's... oh shit.
I came